Hello, how are you? I'm Rafael Lopez from InnerChispa. This is our presentation for the hackathon, Chutes Hack Malaysia 2026. Our project is called Chutes Sovereign Deposit Agent. It's a demonstration of how a corporate finance team could validate top-up requests before crediting compute credits in Chutes. The entire pipeline is fully structured into 4 distinct stages of the lifecycle: intake, auditing, HITL review, and complete. Intake runs with local and sovereign validation gates in Python. Auditing and human-in-the-loop review leverage high-speed remote inference on Chutes' LLMs. The human-in-the-loop approval happens exactly once during the human-in-the-loop stage, keeping the rest of the flow intact. Completely automated and asynchronous. To be quite honest, this production-ready engine was built in hours, not weeks. We reused proven design patterns in case management that we already had, such as asynchrony with FastAPI, a secure audit trail in MongoDB, operational rules, and a dedicated dashboard for the jury. We accelerated our delivery with the core innovation. Here, this is the domain of financial deposits, the custom business scenarios for Malaysia, and the active integration of inference with the Chutes LM. And finally, we ended up implementing sign-in with Chutes, all deployed in a single, completely isolated repository running on port 8098. Let's move on to see the development. The Chutes infrastructure is the backbone of this project. Both our deep audit logic and the context analysis in the human-in-the-loop are natively routed through the Chutes API using the specific Qwen 332 BT model hosted on this platform. We keep Oyama on our local server only as a local fallback backup for the initial ingestion, ensuring that Chutes remains our main high-performance route. Well then, let's see the system in action. Here we have 4 possible operational queries, and we are currently going to execute the one for TechMalaya solutions. As you can see in the lower panel, it has already passed the intake and auditing stages and is currently waiting, right, for a human in the loop, so that I can approve the continuation of the flow. Then it continues with its verification, and in the end, after the subsequent approval of the flow, the case moves to complete, and the compute credits are provisioned instantly. However, to give another example, we also have the case of Borneo data core, which we have just selected now. Erroneous or fraudulent data is stopped immediately. Borneo data core is blocked right at the intake stage by our anti-fraud duplicate gateway, because that same transaction hash has already been credited in MongoDB. This demonstrates that our validation gateways are strictly operational and not just cosmetic. As you can see here, the flow stopped because it encountered the deduplication process. It's working. Each case records its complete status transactions and the LLM findings directly in MongoDB. The scorecard of our platform, as you can see here, achieves a perfect score of 8 integrations. LLM hosting in Chutes, webhook flow with sovereign gateways, strict audit trails, human-in-the-loop alerts via WhatsApp, automated smoke tests, and development guided by cursor and login with integrity and decentralized identity. To also compete in the special prize category, reviewers can see here that we have session initiation with Chutes. Our dashboard uses the native account of Chutes. This is implemented through the secure OAuth 2.0 protocol, matching exactly the decentralized identity model used by Chutes applications in production, thus fulfilling one of the required parameters. As you can already see on the panel, we are fully logged in with the Rafa GIE account. Here in the menu, it shows that the person is already logged in. To finish, we also have the complete GitHub repository here. And we can see that it is a public repository. It does not include credentials, secrets, or anything like that. And you can check it out if you have any questions. You can contact us or check us out at InnerChispa US. Thank you for your time. Thanks to Nyala Labs. Thanks to Chutes for this amazing hackathon. It has helped me a lot to learn many things. So we'll be in touch for the next opportunity. Thank you.